Imagine waking up tomorrow, going to work, and realizing your boss replaced you with a shiny 5'8" robot named Optimus. That's right, Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk's humanoid AI robot project is marching into the workplace faster than you can finish your morning coffee. Leonardo da Vinci dreamed it, Elon Musk built it, and now your job might be on the line. But hey, don't panic. Yet. Today we're diving into 10 ways Elon Musk's Optimus robot could literally change your life, your paycheck, and maybe even your love life. Yep, robots are getting that real. Buckle up, because this ain't the plot of a sci-fi movie. This next decade of AI innovation is gonna be one hell of a ride. To start this video off, we need to go back and revisit some Renaissance vibes, because Leonardo da Vinci was actually the first person to come up with the idea of robots. He sketched his version of a humanoid robot way back in the 1400s, which means Optimus is basically a 600-year-old dream come true. Elon Musk isn't just building a robot, he's actually finishing da Vinci's homework and making it happen for real. Back when Leonardo da Vinci sketched his vision of mechanical knights in the 15th century, the idea of humanoid machines seemed like pure fantasy. But today, with Tesla's Optimus project, Elon Musk suggests that da Vinci's imagination might finally be materializing. A future where robots perform tasks once reserved for humans is no longer a distant dream, but a pending reality. The only difference is that da Vinci didn't plan on his mechanical knight flipping burgers at McDonald's, but Optimus might. But before you crown da Vinci as the original Elon Musk, let's talk about what these bots are actually supposed to do.
What was Elon Musk's big vision here? He envisioned robots who could do the jobs humans find boring, repetitive, or dangerous. Think warehouse lifting, factory assembly lines, or that one coworker's reply all emails. Unlike traditional robots restricted by rigid programming, Optimus is being developed with an element of autonomy through AI, enabling it to learn and respond to dynamic environments. For industries, this could mean unprecedented levels of efficiency, consistency, and cost reduction. Optimus could handle the gritty, hard work, leaving humans to do, chill at home all day long and do whatever we want. Sounds great, right? But here's the twist. While robots are busy packing boxes and mowing our lawns, what happens to your paycheck? We gotta talk about job displacement. The acceleration of AI and robotics could threaten to de-skill large segments of the workforce, particularly those in repetitive or low-skill jobs. If humanoid robots are deployed at scale, questions arise. Who benefits from the productivity gains? Will displaced workers be retrained for new roles, or left behind in an increasingly automated economy? The ethical dilemma is not just about machines replacing humans, but about ensuring that technological progress uplifts rather than marginalizes society. Because what happens when robots get good, and maybe even too good, at what they do? Millions of unskilled jobs could vanish faster than Blockbuster when Netflix launched its streaming service back in 2007. Imagine robots cleaning offices, flipping burgers, even working in healthcare. Mass efficiency for companies? Absolutely. Mass unemployment for humans? Possibly. But wait, if robots are stealing jobs, does that mean they'll also be stealing something else? Like privacy?
We have to remember, these aren't just mindless Roombas, folks. Elon Musk is building literal humanoid robots with joints, arms and legs, sensors, and of course, AI independence. That means they're not just following scripts or programming. They can adapt to the things they are influenced by or taught to do. This is a pretty cool and remarkable case for innovation, but it could also be terrifying for your Wi-Fi password or other private matters you have going on online. If these robots can learn, they can also be hacked and exploited, or just awkwardly watch you eat cereal at 2 a.m. Okay, creepy factor aside, let's ask the real question. Where will we actually see Optimus in action first? Due to the increasing competition in the electric car industry, Musk has outlined an aggressive timeline for Tesla's humanoid AI robot project, and the firm will start using these Optimus robots within their own factories starting next year, which means robots are replacing humans in Elon's house before they replace them in yours. Once proven in factories, expect Optimus to roll into homes, offices, and who knows, maybe Starbucks, which could mean that they'll finally start spelling your name right when you order a latte. But jokes aside, this isn't just about who serves your latte. Entire industries are about to be flipped on their robotic heads, and even human relationships are at risk.
Manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, even customer service. Optimus robots are designed to work across all of them.
Need a nurse's assistant? Done. Need a hotel receptionist who doesn't roll their eyes at you? Done. Basically, if your job involves repetition, there's a robot waiting patiently to take over and replace you. Think of it like Uber, but instead of stealing taxi jobs, it's stealing pretty much everyone's jobs. However, their integration into daily life raises issues of privacy and safety, as we've spoken about already. But even the meaning of human relationships as well. Think about it. If a robot can care for the elderly, assist in surgery, or even serve as a companion, how might this reshape human bonds and responsibilities? Will reliance on machines erode human agency? Or will it liberate people to pursue more creative and fulfilling lives? Because hey, maybe robots doing everything for us will free us up to do cooler stuff that we've always wanted to do, right? Or will it just increase human laziness rather than creating human liberation? Let's test that theory. Here's the bright side. Robots doing grunt work means humans could finally focus on creativity, innovation, or whatever makes life meaningful to you. Imagine no more 9-to-5 grind, clocking into a job that you don't even really enjoy just to be able to pay your bills. Sounds like paradise. Until you realize humans are also very good at doing nothing. This could potentially mean that we might just replace back-breaking labor with scrolling TikTok all day long, which is basically already an integral part of most people's daily routine anyways. So Optimus could be building a utopia of one lazy couch potato at a time. I guess only time will tell. But hold up. Before we get too comfy, let's talk about how all this impacts your bank account, because I think that's probably the most important part that you guys watching this video want to know.
So here's where the rich get richer. Robots mean faster production, fewer errors, and lower costs. Companies are going to win big with AI robots. Consumers might win too, though, with cheaper goods, faster services. But unless society figures out new systems, like universal basic income, the wealth gap could stretch wider than Elon's Twitter rants. Productivity gains don't always trickle down. Sometimes they evaporate completely into shareholder champagne. So who's making sure all this robot mania doesn't go full Black Mirror? We're at a crossroads. Do we unleash humanoid robots with no rules, or do we set up guardrails and limitations before things get messy? We're talking privacy laws, safety standards, even robot rights. Yes, that debate is coming. Without regulation, Optimus could be abused by bad actors. Not the Hollywood kind, the actually dangerous kind. Humanity's track record on using tech responsibly is, let's say, not perfect. And that brings us to the million-dollar question. Are we ready to live side by side with robots? Society has two options: embrace humanoid robots as productivity partners, or reject them as existential threats. Some people will welcome Optimus like a shiny new iPhone. Others will treat it like a robot apocalypse waiting to happen. Either way, this next decade is going to define how humans and humanoids interact, and whether humanoid robots will mark the beginning of a golden era of human-machine collaboration, or whether they amplify inequality and alienation. As history has shown with every major technological shift, from the printing press to the internet, the outcomes depend not only on the invention itself, but on how humanity chooses to govern, adopt, and adapt the specific invention. In this light, Tesla's Optimus is not just an engineering milestone. It is a cultural and ethical test. Da Vinci dreamed of mechanical beings that mirrored human ingenuity. Whether that dream becomes humanity's triumph or cautionary tale depends on the conversations and choices we make today. And let's be real, Elon Musk isn't slowing down, he's just getting started. His optimism echoes Da Vinci's Renaissance spirit. So whether you're ready or not, Optimus will be walking into the future, with or without you. So what do you think? Is Optimus the start of a golden age, where humans are finally free from boring work? Or is it the start of a nightmare, where your boss says, "Don't bother coming in on Monday. Optimus has it covered"? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to know if you'd hire a humanoid robot, or if you'd rather stick with, normal people. And hey, if you like this breakdown of Musk's robot takeover, smash that like button before the robots do it for you. Subscribe for more Future Shock insights, and remember, stay human, at least while it's still trendy.